puso't isipan.
Hindi ba sa talent?
Kasama tayo.
Alam,
Pupunta tayo
nangangin
sa
eh.
aeroplano na.
Hintayin natin mawala yung hangin.
Contestant, JJ, Francis, Kataba, Elaine, and Mark. Ang muse natin, si Mimi.
Ready?
Simula na ang paligsahan.
Let's set!
Walang kwenta!
I, Jordan, choose to live a life of adventure, excitement, joy, spontaneity, and love. I choose to love, and as I love, I live. As I live, I give. As I give, I serve. As I serve, I step closer to the reality of my dreams. I will dream. I will dream big in amazing and spectacular and awesome dreams. And I will live my dreams and not compromise for the sake of security or safety or comfort. I will jump out of my comfort zone and embrace change. Change whom I fear, change whom I dread. I will seek to live beyond what I can, believing that the God whom I trust is much, much bigger and greater than any obstacle I may face. I will face my fear. I will stop running away and turn around. And when I am face to face and eye to eye with it, I will grab the bull by its balls and make it scream surrender. I surrender. I surrender to my great destiny, knowing deep in my heart I'm destined for greatness. I am destined for excellence, not mediocrity, not conformity, not in arrogance, but to the mantle of humility placed upon me. Because this is not about me. This is about humanity. I will persevere for the sake of humanity who need men and women inflamed with passion that will ignite the hearts of the timid and fearful souls to push on and soar higher. And I will do all this not 10 years from now when I am free. Not 5 years from now when I am ready. Not 1 year from now when all is steady. Not 1 month from now when I have the money. Not 1 week from now when I know how. Not even tomorrow, because tomorrow is far from now. I will live my dreams now, and I will act now.